Okay, so we got this situation. The number of ways in which 5 numbers are selected out of first 50 natural number. Okay, so look at this point, how we will approach this question. So the point is, what I will do, suppose that I will arrange first 50 natural number. Okay, the moment I will select the first number now, like behind first number, suppose that x1 stays, means x1 is representing the number of numbers behind the first number. Okay, so you know that you can select 1. So behind the first number there would be greater than or equal to 0, means you can select first number, so in that case x1 will become 0. You can select fifth number, in that case x1 will become 4. Okay, so I feel that behind first number there would be the number of numbers would be greater than equal to 0. Okay, now after first number before second number, suppose the number of numbers are x2, it has to be greater than equal to 1, because you cannot take consecutive numbers. Okay, so it is like distribution of identical object. Now again you will be you will be leaving some number and you will be selecting the next number. The minimum number should be 1, means you have to leave at least 1, because no number can be consecutive. Again you will be leaving some number and you have to select another number, so x4 would be greater than equal to 1. You guys have selected already 4 numbers. Now you will be leaving some number and then you will be having another number x5 greater than equal to 1. Now after the last number there is a chance that you may have some number of numbers. Like, try to understand. Suppose that if you will select 50, so you know that after this number there would be 0. There is a chance that you may end up selecting 40, so x6 can be 10. Okay, so the number of numbers after the fifth number would be x6. Now you know that you guys were having 50 numbers out of which you have selected in this order. So right now you are left with 45 numbers. Correct? Now 45 numbers has to be distributed in this way: x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, 45. Okay, so we will be arranging those numbers into the gap so that the condition would be justified. Now look at this. You know that this question does not belong to your comfortable zone, because in your comfortable zone, when you were distributing identical objects, you keep 0 is allowed and 0 is not allowed, and your comfortable zone was 0 is allowed. So observe x1. Do you think you guys are comfortable with x1? Yes, because x1 can take 0, so we don't have problem with x1. Do you think you have problem with x2? Yes, because x2 cannot have 0 element, so it will have at least 1. So give him 1 and make him comfortable. So you have spent 1. Suppose that you are distributing 45 samosa into 6 person. Okay, then do you think x3 is okay? No. To convince him we need 1. Okay, x4 again 1, x5 again 1, x6 is okay. So to convert this question into comfortable zone, we have spent 4 things. Correct? So if it is 4 thing, now we are left with what? We are left with 41 thing. Correct? Now we have to distribute 41 identical thing into 6 person. Okay, where 0 is allowed. Okay, then you will be asking for sticks. How many sticks do we need? So there are 6 persons, so we need 5 sticks. And we have how many objects now? 41 samosa and 5 6. So uh, sorry, 5 sticks. So altogether we have 46 objects, है ना? And you will be selecting sticks, so it is 5. So 46 C5 is the correct answer for this question. I hope the idea is clear. Okay.